So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the most actively traded stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device or you're on the website, simply go into the bottom here and press on the Discovery tab where it says Discover, where there's the magnifying glass icon right in the middle. Press on that and make sure if you're looking for the most actively traded stocks that at the top left here, the equity tab is selected. So for example, if you're on the ETF tab, the ETF button will become blue and will be highlighted. So simply just slide it to the left, press on equity right here, and make sure that it is highlighted blue with an underline under it. Also, too, if you want to change the market for the most active stock, go to the top left, press on US. You can view the US market, the Europe market, or the Asia market. Once that is done, underneath where it says trending and movers, simply just scroll down to where it says most active. It says discover the most traded equities in the trading day. So if you're looking for the most actively traded stocks for that day, press on this tab right here. And if you were to scroll down, it'll actually show you all the different stocks here. So if you can, scroll down for yourself, if you wanted to maybe change the region, press on region. You can change the region for yourself. If you're looking for specific sectors, press on sector. You can view the sectors for yourself. And more importantly, if you're looking for specific market caps, you can go ahead and check whatever market caps apply. So if you wanted to do all of them, press on apply. There you go. You've now seen the most actively traded stocks for that day here on Yahoo Finance. So pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can view the most actively traded stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.